So if you can just let us know when you're on the live and just let us know where you're from. It takes a few minutes for you all to come on and let us see if you're on. So just say hi and where you're from. So today I'm going to show you some half-head hair pieces and some ponytails. We've got a range of half-head hair pieces on the website, which is pdollpalace.myshopify.com. They're like curly, there's straight, there's short and there's long. Today we're offering you a deal where you buy a half-head hairpiece or a ponytail and you get a messy bun for free. So the discount code is FREEBUNHUN in capitals and there's no spaces. So that is if you buy a half-head hairpiece or a ponytail, make sure you put in the discount box at the end of your transaction FREEBUNHUN in capital letters and you'll get a free messy bun. So I'll start and show you what I have today. Hiya. So this is the Emma half-head hairpiece. So it's like I would say about 24 inch and it's like a loose wave. It's super thick but it's super secure on your head and you can hardly feel it. So there's a grip at the top and there's a grip at the bottom and there's a fastener to tighten it onto your head. So what you do is pull some hair out at the front and get your bobble and tie the remaining hair at the back of your head into a bun. Then get the hairpiece. This one is the Emma half-head hairpiece. There's a grip at the top. You grip it. And there's a grip at the back. You grip it underneath the bun that you've made with your hair. Push your hair back and back home over the seam. So this one is the Emma half-head hairpiece. We've got over 21 colours in this. If you're not sure what colour to go for your hair, please feel free to send us a picture of your hair in natural daylight from the root. I'll be able to help you with the colour match and let you know which one is best for your hair. So this is the Emma half-head hairpiece, but we've got many hairpieces on the website. So the website is pdollpalace.myshopify.com. So if you were to buy a half-head hairpiece today, make sure you put in the discount box at the end of your transaction, FREEBUNHUN in capital letters, and you'll get a free bun with your half-head hairpiece. So I'm going to show you the Emma from the back. Hope you can see. It won't come off your head, it's super secure. I can hardly feel this in my head. You can wash it. You put some baby shampoo in the sink, leave the half-head hairpiece in the sink, then leave for about 10 to 15 minutes, then hang it up to dry. Don't touch until it's completely dry, and then in the morning brush it through and it'll just spring back into its style. So I'll show you quickly how to put that back in. So my hair, I've left some hair out the front, push it down. You've got your bun at the back. Get the grip it at the top and then pull it down. And then back home over the top of the seam. So these half head hair pieces are £30. And today, if you buy one, if you put into the discount box a free bun hun in capital letters, you'll get a bun for free. So this one is the Emma half head Zoe, and it is £30. And the website is pdollpalace.myshopify.com. So I'll show you a shorter one now. So this one is a new one. A lot of my customers have said that they don't like long half head hairpiece and wish we got some more shorter ones in. So this is our new short one, which is called the Maya, M-Y-E-A. There's only a few available colours in this. At the moment there's Raven, Chestnut and Golden Blonde. So I'll show you how to put this one on. This one is £30. Yeah, we do it in burgundy. If you send me a picture of your hair, Zoe, from the route in natural daylight, I'll be able to match up just to make sure our burgundy actually matches your hair colour. So again, push my hair down at the front, then I've got a bun at the back, there's a grip at the top, there's a grip at the bottom, grip it, then grip at the back, and then back home over the seam. So this one is the Maya, which is M-Y-A. You'll find it on pdollpalace.myshopify.com. So there's only about 3 available colours in this at the moment, which is Raven, which is this colour, there's Chestnut and there's Golden Blonde, and this one is £30. But if you were to buy one of these today, make sure that you put in the discount box free bun hun in capital letters, and you'll get a free bun with your hairpiece. So if you have a full fringe, just pull some hair out the front, like you'll have your fringe down and then pull some hair out at the front and push it over your fringe, and then just grip it underneath that hair, then grip it at the back under your loose bun, then pull that hair back and back comb over the seam, and then your fringe is just out. You can wear a fringe with a half head hairpiece. So obviously your fringe is already down, and then just pull some, so I'll show you in 2 seconds. So you'll have a fringe, just imagine I had a fringe, and then pull some hair over the top, grip it, then grip at the back, and then back home over the seam. But obviously if you've got a full fringe, your fringe would be already out. So this one is the Maya half head hairpiece. I suppose you could put it in a low ponytail, like that. Or sometimes what I do, I haven't got another bobble to show you, sometimes I get my hair at the front and I just put my hair in a bobble and then keep the spit down. Like that. So this one is £30, and you can find it on www.pdollpalace.myshopify.com. So now I'm going to show you some ponytails. So I'm going to show you the so after this live's away, I'll send you, if you send us an inbox to the page, I'll show you the colour burgundy. I'm going to show you a sleek straight ponytail now, but we've got loads, about 21 different colours in the sleek straight ponytail. The ponytail is £25, and if you were to buy this ponytail a day and put into the discount box free bun hun in capital letters, you'll get a free messy bun. tie your hair up in a ponytail. Bear with us. And then wrap it round. Get your bobble. Then this is the sleek ponytail. It's got a grip at the top, it's got a grip at the bottom, and then it's got your drawstring. So you pull the drawstring out and get the grip at the top, get the grip at the bottom, then you pull the drawstring, pull it round again, pull it round again. And that is the sleek straight ponytail, which is £25 on ponytailpalace.myshopify.com. And if you were to get this today, if you put in the discount box free bun hun in capital letters, you will get a messy bun for free, and that's only today. So this is the sleek straight ponytail, and there's loads of colours available. The website is, hi Josh, the website is ponytailpalace.myshopify.com. So to get it back off, you pull it around, pull, round, pull, around, pull, and then pull the grip out at the top, and then pull it at the back. So again, these are £25, and today only you can get a free bun. So you put in the discount box free bun hun in capital letters, and you'll get it for free. This is a high grade synthetic top fibre Concolian, so I wouldn't advise putting heat on this. As long as you hang it up after use and use an extension brush, it should last quite a while. So this one is the crystal ponytail, which is like about 24 inches, and it's, people wear this on a night out more than the other one. And this one is £25, and there's 21 different colours in this. There's a grip at the top. Right. There's a grip at the bottom, and there's grips at the side. So put the grip at the top, put the grip at the bottom, then pull the drawstring, and pull it around and around again and around again. And that is the crystal ponytail at £25, and there's 21 different colours in this. If you're not sure what colour to go for, that you don't know what colour would match your hair, then please send a picture from the route in natural daylight, and I'll be able to advise you which colour to go for. We do ship worldwide. Worldwide shipment is 1 to 7 working days, and in the UK it's 1 to 3 working days. Abby, have you used a detangle spray? So if you were to buy a ponytail today, make sure that you put in the discount box free bun hun in capital letters, and you'll get a free messy bun with your ponytail. So the website is ponytailpalace.myshopify.com. So to get it back off, you just pull it round. Then pull it from the top and then off the bottom. So I'm gonna I'm gonna show you the most popular ponytail now, which is the JLo ponytail. It's got a bull clip, so this is a bit different to the other two. So you just put in a normal ponytail with no bun. Then you get the ponytail and open the bull clip and attach it to the top of your ponytail. So these are £25 and this is the JLo ponytail and it's available in 21 different colours. So you take it off like that and just clip it on top of your ponytail. And the website is ponytailpalace.myshopify.com. So yeah, there's 20 different colours in this. If you're not sure what colour to go for your hair, then please feel free to send us a picture from your route in natural daylight and I'll be able to give you a colour match. So this is the item that you would be getting for free if you were to buy a half-head hairpiece or a ponytail a day. So a lot of people buy these for work. If you've got really fine hair like I do, these are like a quick and simple way to get a thicker bun. These are usually £20 on our website, but today only we're giving you a free one if you buy a half head or a ponytail. The discount code is FREEBUNHUN in capital letters and no spaces. So put your hair in a ponytail, then wrap it round. Pull the drawstring out, then get the grip and put it at the top, and then get the grip and put it at the bottom, and then pull the drawstring. And that's the messy bun that you would be getting for free. So if you were to order any half head hairpiece or ponytail a day on ponytailpalace.myshopify.com, if you put in the discount box FREEBUNHUN in capital letters and no spaces, you would get one of these for free. And we would just send you out the colour that you pick. Like, so if you picked a half head in dark brown and you added the coupon FREEBUNHUN, we would give you the colour in dark brown, the same as your half head hairpiece or ponytail. So these are the messy buns. We do ship worldwide. Worldwide shipping is 1 to 7 working days, and in the UK it is 1 to 3 working days. So if you have any questions, please feel free to inbox the page and I'll be able to help you. So the website is ponytailpalace.myshopify.com, and if you are to order today, make sure that you put in the discount box FREEBUNHUN in capital letters, no spaces, and you'll get a free bun with your half head hairpiece or ponytail. Bye.